task, Randy. I can't imagine the daunting responsibility that you have to pull all these moving parts together, get everyone moving in the same direction regarding the rollout of Zero Trust. Give us a state of the state.
So in DoD, we're now approaching almost 3 years working the problem officially from the DoD CIO's point of view.
Mm-hmm.
But there was early work on Zero Trust between NSA, DISA, and Cyber Command just prior to that of about a year and a half or 2 years. So it kind of started as an idea and a thought and hands-on about 5 years ago. But it really turbocharged when the Zero Trust Portfolio Office was established. So the state of the state is really impressively positive. We have been able to move millions of thought leaders in the DoD, endpoints, military services, the components towards Zero Trust. The most important thing is not necessarily resources, it's leadership commitment and the continuous leadership commitment from the top down to send the signal that Zero Trust is absolutely critical if we're to maintain our mission going forward, given the tactics, techniques, and procedures of our adversaries. So we have been very successful in defining what Zero Trust is, how to implement Zero Trust. We have beefed up our ability to do purple teaming, which is red and blue, attacks and defend on systems to prove that these systems work. We have talked to our allies and exchanged our documentation so they could level up very quickly. And as Brandy mentioned, we have done a tremendous amount of outreach to share our knowledge, share our strategies and implementation plans so that others can literally save 4 years. Comparatively speaking, 3 years, whatever it might be, just to give them an idea of what we're doing so that they can iterate on that if they choose. Most folks have recently probably read about Navy's flank speed hitting advanced level Zero Trust, quite frankly, 3 years ahead of schedule. That is a monumental achievement. It shows to the detractors that Zero Trust is achievable. With non-GFE technology. This was all industry developed on top of industry hardware and software. So this shows that it could be done. And we have many, many success stories in the future that are going to be coming. I'll just close it by saying in the next 12 months, we're going to probably be doing 18 more pilots. And we have some in the pipeline right now. So out of the 18 or 22 total we have going on in the next 12 months, we're going to get a large fraction of that, at least 25% if you're a pessimist. That's going to likely hit target level Zero Trust. So there's going to be a compilation of success stories here that at the DoD level of target level will be identified. And the positive thing is that the DoD will be able to hopefully meet their mandate of the end of 27. But the other positive thing is that these solutions are not only developed for the DoD. They would be available to Brandy and CISA and the FedCIF community. They would be available to our allies. They would be available to the Intel community, the DIB. So you could see that as DoD plows that new road, for Zero Trust successes, it actually seeds successes all throughout, what we care about in terms of lifting all boats. And that's the true success so far of the portfolio office.
Really do appreciate the leadership and the offering of DoD to